The 2022 World Internet of Things exposition opened Friday in the city of Wooxi, East China's Jiangsu province. The three-day event includes a summit, an exhibition featuring the latest IoT applications and products, and several forums focusing on themes like the industrial internet, intelligent sensing, and intelligent connected vehicles. From self-driving vehicles to industrial robotics, 240 IoT-related enterprises displayed their latest products at the exhibition, which covers nearly 30,000 square meters.
今天给大家介绍酒庄9的6款新的设备。这6款设备主要应用于光伏、新能源、锂电、新能源汽车的广泛应用。这其中我们一点呢，就是我们这一款的焊接机器人，它可以做到不需要人工施教，不需要人工编程，做到高速精准的焊接。
这是我们今年物博会期间正式对外公开发布的我们的无人小巴。这个小巴呢，可能跟大家看到的传统的公交车不大一样。这里面看，就是我们传统原来的那个后视镜方向已经没有了，这里面就是我们商用的激光雷达，还有摄像头等等这些综合的传感器。整个我们的自动驾驶的这个无人小巴的话，还包含了我们的整个就是说定速巡航，我们的自动识别红绿灯、启停。
Dubbed an IoT city, Wooxi currently has more than 3,000 IoT-related companies with an output value of more than 350 billion yuan. The city also leads the formulation of over half of the IoT international standards.